Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about how to print factorial program. First of all, we want to know the what is the factorials. Definition of the factorial: the product of all the positive integers less than or equals to given positive integer. For example, we have 5. 5 factorial means 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All these product is equals to this factorial program. Okay, here is loop from 5 to 1. 5 to 1. Here inside that as a product is multiplication is equal to is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in I. Okay, you want this product storing variable product equals to 1 because of, if for example if we take product is 0, anything with 0 is 0, so that's why here product should be 1. Okay, after that print the product. Factorial import java dot util dot here scanner is equal to new scanner system dot in. So take the number in sc dot next int. Here inside I want to loop from int I equal to n I greater than or equals to 1. I minus inside that product into equals to I. This product and product equals to 1. Finally my output is ln of product five 120. Yes, next 4 24. 9 6 720.